All right, we're on the record bureau tonight. Defendant is present. All counsel are present. Mr. Shapiro and Mr. Fletcher for the defense. Ms. Barnes for the people. This matter is here for arraignment. Mr. Fletcher. I can't set it for that short a date. I'd be glad to set it around the 28th day for the purposes of allowing. Is Marion Hugh Knight your true name, sir?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
You're charged in information TA 136401. Count 1, murder. Count 2, attempted murder. Count 3, felony hit and run. Various enhancements are alleged. At this time, Mr. Fletcher, wait further reading the information from Statement of Rights.
Yes.
To all charges, sir, how do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
You deny all the enhancements.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Matter is assigned again to this department for all purposes. And as to your first aspect, I decline your invitation to reduce bail. And I did cite in Foster and Mendoza. What I didn't cite were P versus Brucker. Testament, Emily will be deemed 16-day trial, July 7, 2015, 8:30 a.m. in this department. That is ordered to appear. That again is deemed day 010, although the promise of counsel is we will start that day, assuming there's no motion to continue.
Thank you.
I'll see counsel on 28th. The 995 is 28th. Or 29th, I mean. The 995 is 29th. Again, thank you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll see you tomorrow. All right. The reason the judge agreed to allow Suge to be held for trial, even though there was no identification as Suge as the driver, was that Bone referred to the person as Suge. And the judge indicated there was case law that said a unique name could be the basis to prove identity. And the case he showed, I think, is different than what the law is. I mean, it's a very limited circumstance when that was admissible. And the cases we pointed out to him said that's not the case here. So that's a change of circumstance, in our opinion, so we wanted the judge to lower the bail further. I think we're going to have very good luck. I think hopefully next week, after Floyd Mayweather wins again, I think he's going to come right into the rescue. He does a lot of really good things, and him and Suge are very close friends and have known each other for a while. Obviously, he's been busy. They've both been busy, but I think we will be able to make bail. My interest in getting the bail reduced is that, it's still money out of the family's pockets, and maybe $100,000, $200,000 here, I guess after a while it's real money, right? So from $10 million to $5 million saves $500,000, which I think appropriately shouldn't be wasted, when I think the bail at $5 million would have been reasonable. He was to a point where, he was literally not being treated for his diabetes. They're treating him now. It ain't the Hilton, we understand that, but the treatment now is much more conducive to him being alive, because he wasn't going to make it before. I mean, literally. So it's much better now. His weight's stabilized. He's getting the drops for his eyes, and he's getting his medication for his diabetes.
At familyofterrycarter@gmail.com. That's for all the media information.
What time is the video?
8 o'clock. 8 p.m. I'm just happy that the case is moving forward. Our focus is justice for our father. And actually tonight we are having a candlelight visual taking place on 142nd and Central. And we invite everybody to definitely come out. The focus is definitely the victim, which is my father. And we just want justice for him, and we want peace as the trial moves forward.